I got myself a Valentine's gift. So yeah, the juice got me. Okay, Valentine's Day was yesterday, and I don't know. This wasn't even an impulse purchase, but this is something I've been wanting for so long. And I finally thought, I didn't do anything for this money. Why did I spend it? Yep, it's a excellent mixage. What is it? What is this in English? Great blending at hand. Yeah, but what is the name of this? All these languages. Bulgarian, Czech, German, Danish, Estonian, Spanish, Finnish, French. Ooh, great blending at hand. Why is it called great blending at hand? A hand blender? What is it called? Well, whatever. Shall we open it? Oh, why don't I do a grocery haul? Actually, I just went to Lidl. Oh, and I got this. I mean, heart-shaped kitchen sponges. I mean, come on. Come on. Cute and discreet. And you know, useful items. Cute and useful, because I wash my dishes with those. Yeah, I still use the same shitty backpack. I got tuna in sunflower oil. It tastes better when it's in oil. I got tuna, 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 tuna. It was 5 for 10, or no, 5 for €5, which is a good deal on tuna, especially because this isn't even the worst kind of tuna. Cheap tuna is disgusting, but this is decent. Yeah, what else was I gonna say? And it's, how many grams? 160 grams, and drained is 104. So that's good. I bought 10 because it's a good deal, and I use tuna every once in a while. I make tuna. What is it called? Like, I call it tuna mush. It's basically rice, tuna, and reggae mix vegetables. So yeah, that's all my groceries for now. Shall we? Immersion blender. I actually have been looking at this one, but I just didn't know that I was gonna buy it. It was like a pretty good deal. It comes with stuff, and this I think is a potato masher. This I don't really have use for, but I think I will try it anyway. So it comes with the potato masher, a mixing bowl. I don't like that it's plastic, but I'm gonna take it out so I can wash it immediately. It's about half a liter, 600 milliliters actually. Oh, it comes with a whisk. This could be useful. This was kind of like what intrigued me. The whisk seems a little, I mean, it's a whisk. there's a bowl. I don't have a lot of kitchen equipment, so I don't feel like I'm getting a overload of useless stuff with this. And this mixer bowl combo could be useful on some things, like chopping up stuff. Here's the blade. Yeah, into the wash it goes. I guess, yeah, into the wash. Where is the actual? This was 30. It was either 35 or 39. And it's 600 watts, so it's pretty strong, I guess. It's on the stronger end, I guess, on handheld blenders. Of course, with handheld blenders, I think people don't really know how to use them. You're not supposed to just keep going, because they'll start smoking immediately, overheat. You have to go in like, you know, or at least what I did when I was a kid. That's what they taught us in school. So here's the lighting is excellent, I know. Use my other one. Didn't help at all, did it? Turbo. Okay, it's really heavy. This is stainless steel. Ta-da! The blade looks stupid. But yeah, now I can make blended soups. Usually I just mash things. The receipt. Wait, did I not get the warranty receipt? Scam! No, it does have. Yeah, 24 months. Okay. Yeah. That's my grocery haul. I don't know why I filmed this. To be completely honest. But I just wanted to share something. I was gonna make video blogs, or at least on New Year's. I wanted to make Happy Neat Year video, but actually next week I won't be knitting so much anymore. Kinda. Can you see my reflection on the thing? I still look the same, huh? Anyway. Bye.